Heels on the floor.
Fuck.
Let's go. Let's go! Alright, so now what's the opposite of 2-0? 2. So I want to maintain a 2.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I got a VOR right in the middle there, huh?
Yeah, Jeff loves it. Look at this view.
Yeah. Huh?
33121, runway 20, cleared for the option, then make left traffic to 20, report to midfield downwind.
Runway 20, clear option, Archer 33121, thank you. Slow it down, bring it in the white.
Yep.
We go flaps 1. Fuel pumps on, we're all lit up like Christmas tree, another gums check, doesn't hurt.
Doesn't hurt. I like everything lit up all the time.
Alright, so I'm almost on a 45 here. I'm a little far out, but we'll add another notch here. We'll make a turn for the base here.
These beautiful houses right here too. Are you touch and going or stopping?
Well, he gave me the option, so I'm just going to touch and go it.
Yep. Nice turn.
Roger, break. Number 616 Alpha Charlie, runway 20, Alpha intersection departure, taxi via Alpha.
Alright, so we're down. Flap 0. Sure, my wheels straight.
Boy, this thing takes off nice.
Westfield Tower Archer 33121, like to keep the code, head south to Robertson, please.
33121, proceed on course. Keep that code.
On course, keeping the code, 121. Runway's in sight, you got it?
Yes.
Alright, got flaps 1 in. Check to make sure no one's on final, coming straight in.
You are clear right.
We'll do a full stop taxi back.
Okay.
Fox, November 150 Lima Hotel is report final for runway 33.
Good speed traffic, Piper Archer, we're 5 miles to the west. We're going to enter a left downwind for 32, good speed.
Robertson traffic, Archer 33121, 2 mile final, runway 20, full stop, Robertson. Alright, we'll keep it at 17. Flaps 2.
A little shorter than Barnes, huh?
A little bit. I'm not gonna hurt my brakes. That's a good approach.
Yeah. Get my
I give myself a B- on that one.
I got a.
Wasn't perfect.
I kept my mouth shut. Some nice airplanes here, huh? Well, you guys rent from here sometimes, huh?
Jeff does.
Jeff does, yeah.
All right, so I put another notch of flaps in out there to keep me down.
Okay.
Or I'll do 100 right now. This is not a bad downwind here. The runway's going that way.
All right.
And Tower Archer 121 entering right downwind 20.
Archer 33121, runway 201706, clear lane.
Runway 20, clear lane, Archer 121. All right, so 170, he said? All right, a little bit of a left crosswind then.
Holding short, runway 20, ready for departure.
33121, I'm going to have one departure prior to arrival, one Mooney.
Copy that, looking for traffic, Archer 121.
9127 Delta, runway 201707, clear for takeoff, on course is approved.
And runway 20, clear for
Russia
takeoff,
does.
on course approved, Mooney 27 Delta.
Going now. You see him?
121's got the Mooney on the roll.
Hey, Alex.
Is that Chad?
It's Chad.
Have a good flight, brother.
2, thanks.
Trim up a little bit. All right, we'll go flaps 2 here. We're at 900. We're high. I like being high, though, Dean.
Yeah.
Not in a marijuana way, but...
No, I get it. I'd rather, with all these wires, with that long runway,
Yep.
I'd rather be a little high than a little short. A little low.
This is going to be like a gradual swoop into final forming.
Like it. Yep. Mooney's airborne.
See how I'm high?
Yep.
Oh, them pappies. Full flaps.
No happy pappies.
He's climbing out like a rocket.
I guess so, huh? Yeah. Nice capture. Nice.
I'd like to take the time to thank my channel members. Channel membership costs 3 cents a day, and 100% goes back into the channel with upgraded equipment so I can continue to put out quality aviation entertainment videos for you guys.
Good to see you, Charlie. Have a good day, Roger.